Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about what if I told you some of the car advice you've believed for years is actually costing you money? Not hundreds, thousands. The truth is, the car industry is full of outdated advice, half-truths, and myths that drivers still follow without questioning. And these myths lead to unnecessary repairs, wasted fuel, and expensive maintenance bills. In this video, I'll break down 7 car maintenance myths that are silently draining your wallet, and what you should do instead. Let's start with one of the oldest myths in the book. For decades, people were told to change their oil every 3,000 miles no matter what. That advice came from older engine designs and older oil technology. Modern engines and synthetic oils are very different. Most newer cars safely go 5,000 to 10,000 miles between oil changes, sometimes even more, depending on manufacturer guidelines. Changing oil too early doesn't harm the car, but it absolutely wastes money. If you're changing high-quality synthetic oil every 3,000 miles without needing to, you're overspending. The smart move? Follow your owner's manual, not outdated advice. Many drivers believe premium fuel automatically improves performance, but if your car is designed for regular fuel, premium does not increase power, fuel economy, or engine life. Premium fuel is designed for high-compression engines that specifically require it. Using premium in a regular engine won't damage it, but it won't benefit it either. It's like buying expensive athletic shoes to walk around the house. Unless your car requires premium, regular fuel works perfectly. Read your fuel door or owner's manual. That small decision can save you hundreds every year. Myth: you need to warm up your car for 10 minutes. This myth is especially common in colder climates. Older carbureted engines needed long warm-ups. Modern fuel-injected engines do not. Idling your car for 10 minutes wastes fuel and increases engine wear. Why? Because engines warm up faster when driven gently, not while idling. The best approach? Start the car. Wait about 30 seconds. Drive gently for the first few minutes. Long idle warm-ups burn fuel without benefit. Many drivers assume dealership service is automatically superior. While dealerships have factory training and tools, independent mechanics are often equally qualified and more affordable. Some dealerships charge premium labor rates simply because of branding. This doesn't mean dealerships are bad. It means you should compare. A trusted local mechanic can perform most maintenance just as effectively, sometimes at a significantly lower cost. Don't assume higher price equals higher quality. Myth: bigger tires always improve performance. Some drivers upgrade to bigger tires thinking it improves speed, grip, and overall performance. But larger tires can reduce fuel efficiency, affect speedometer accuracy, increase strain on suspension, and change braking distance. Unless your car is properly tuned for larger tires, you may actually reduce performance. Modifications should be done with research, not assumptions. Sometimes stock is optimized for balance. Myth: idling charges your battery faster. Many people think leaving the car idling charges the battery effectively. While the alternator does charge the battery during idle, it charges more efficiently at driving speeds. Extended idling isn't an efficient battery solution. If your battery frequently dies, the issue may be weak battery, failing alternator, or an electrical drain. Relying on idling instead of diagnosing the problem can delay a necessary fix. Myth: if there's no warning light, everything is fine. This is one of the most expensive myths. Some drivers assume that if no dashboard light is on, the car is perfectly healthy. But not all issues trigger immediate warning lights. Small problems can develop quietly. Slight fluid leaks, early brake wear, minor suspension wear, tire alignment issues. Waiting for a warning light can mean waiting too long. Routine inspections and listening to unusual sounds are still important. Warning lights are helpful, but they aren't everything. Here's a bonus myth: you should always follow what your friend says about car care. Every car is different. Every manufacturer has different requirements. Blindly following general advice without checking your manual can lead to unnecessary expenses. Your owner's manual is more reliable than random internet advice. car myths survive because they're repeated, not because they're accurate. And small misconceptions repeated over years can cost a lot of money. Maintenance doesn't need to be complicated, it just needs to be informed. Understanding what actually matters and what doesn't keeps your car healthy and your wallet safe.
If you've believed any of these myths, don't worry. Most drivers have. The important thing is learning and adjusting. Smart car ownership isn't about spending more. It's about spending wisely.
Avoid these myths, and you'll save money while extending your car's life. Drive smart.